These time travel videos are blowing up right now. Just look at this channel, it gained 2.4 lakh followers with only 32 videos. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos, and honestly, it takes less than 5 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Tap More Apps GPTs. Search for Time Travel Vlogs and open the first one. Now click Famous Person or Character. ChatGPT will ask for a person and a place. For example, I searched Mr. Beast in Egypt when the pyramids were being built. Instantly, ChatGPT will gives you 5 image prompts, 5 video prompts. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Paste the prompt, select image generation, choose your aspect ratio, and hit generate. Here's what mine created. By the way, comment below which famous person you want to time travel with, and don't forget to subscribe for more viral AI video tutorials. Generate all the images first. Now it's time to turn them into videos. In Flow AI, select frames to video. Choose your first image as the starting frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and hit generate. Flow AI will create your first cinematic clip. Repeat the same process for all the images. Once all clips are ready, open any editing app, add all your clips together, trim them a little, and generate captions. And just like that, your viral time travel video is ready. Here's the final result.
Guys, this is absolutely insane. We've time traveled to ancient Egypt, and they're literally building the Great Pyramid right behind me. I think I'm standing next to the people actually planning the Great Pyramid, and this might be the closest anyone's ever gotten to seeing how this was organized.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. The sun is setting, and the pyramid is only half built, but it already greatest things.
Tonight the builders are celebrating, and somehow I got invited. There's music, firelight, and the Great Pyramid glowing behind us. This is unreal.